Alright guys, so now we are simply gonna draw a watermelon, and this is the kind of sketch, this is the kind of drawing that anybody can do. Anybody can draw a watermelon, right? Whether you are a beginner or a child, a small kid, anybody can draw it with the help of this simple method. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to basically make an oval, right? Or you can say a circle, even a circle would work. So see, this is a circle, right? And now we have to draw a line here like this, a horizontal line, almost a horizontal line, and this is a kind of semicircle, a little smaller than semicircle, but yes, it looks like a semicircle only, right? So now you can see this is a circle and this is a semicircle like this, right? Now I'm gonna zoom it a little so that I can do a bit of detailing here. Although the circle that I have drawn, even if you make it an oval, it would work even better. So I am changing it into an oval, right? Wow, now you can see that it is almost an oval, and here is our semicircle in the down. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna draw some lines. What kind of lines? Let me show you. Lines of a watermelon, simple. See, here comes a line, here comes another line like this. And let me tell you one more thing, and it's a kind of important thing, that the kind of sketch I'm drawing, the reference picture I'm looking it from is attached into the description of this video, so you guys can easily go there and can simply download that particular photo, and you yourself can draw this watermelon very easily, right? But don't leave this video, yaar. Don't leave this video right now. Firstly watch it so that you can understand how I'm drawing it. I'm drawing these cracky lines, right? These are not absolutely straight lines. You can see the lines have some kind of texture over them, right? Which is very important, and usually on a watermelon we see these kind of lines only. The lines are not absolutely straight like this, the lines are like this, as you can see I'm drawing it, right? All right, so now here comes another line, cracky line, not an absolutely straight line, right? Here is a circle and some lines from here, again some cracky lines. So I'm drawing these cracky lines. All right, so the lines of watermelon are almost complete. All right, now I'm gonna draw into this semicircle. The semicircle is basically a cutout part of this watermelon, right? Okay, so I'm gonna shade it a little. All right, firstly I will erase a little bit part from here of the lines. Alright, so I'm erasing these lines because I have to give some nice texture here. Alright, so now I'm shading this watermelon here because watermelon is darker reddish from inside, although I'm not gonna give it any kind of color, but still we will shade it accordingly. All right, more darkening here, one more darker from here. Now we are gonna draw the seeds of this watermelon. We will draw the seeds accordingly. The seeds are dark black in color, right? So of course we will also draw this in black color. Here comes the seeds, More thing is that you can detail it according to your convenience. The more detailing you will do in your drawing, the more realistic it will appear, right? So like I'm doing a little bit of detailing here. I am giving it a little dark color. Alright, so now I'm completing the detailing and I will show you the final product. This is the final sketch, guys, of a watermelon, and this is not at all difficult for anybody. Trust me, you can draw this anytime. Simply follow the principle, simply draw an oval, a semicircle like I already told you in this video, and then you have to do the detailing while seeing in the reference picture. The reference picture is linked in the description. I'm telling you again, so you can simply download it from this link, from that link, and you can practice. You can draw this watermelon. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and you can share it with your friends whoever struggles with drawing such kind of things. And I will be continuing with more such videos, but in return I need support from you guys. I hope you guys keep showering me the support that you are giving me. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and have a great time.